Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to trade on Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, open your account in your Robinhood or just open your Robinhood uh, app, and after that, you will be needing to come to the investing menu. So basically in the menu, there is the crypto one, uh, the rewards part or menu. This is for the golden credit card for Robinhood, and this is your profile. So basically, make sure that you are on the investing part, and after that, you will need to start trading. And simply make sure that you already set up your account and it is verified, so you have your identity verified and everything on, so you can start trading. And after you add in your funds and connecting your bank accounts, etc. All you need to do is to go to the list of stocks, and basically you can start creating your own uh, stocks or creating your own list, or you can start going here in the list and search for them. And basically now you will need just to choose any uh, list, for example, any stock, and let's suppose we want to trade on the Tesla. You will need to click on it, and basically after that you will need to trade. And as you can see here in the chart, you will find all the analytics of the stock, and you can see all its performance. And after that, you can see also the stats of the stocks like volume and capital and the market cap, etc. And basically you need just to click on the trade. You add you fill in the form to add how many number of stock you want to buy or the volume that you want to buy, etc. And you will be able to trade the stock. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.